Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. First of all, open Messages app and click on one of your chats. In order to add an audio file, you need to create it over here by holding microphone icon at the bottom right corner. When you finished with your recording, just let go. If you wish to add a video though, click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Select your video by tapping on it over here, or click on this picture icon on the left, select it over here and tap on Add at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!